The mistake that makes women ignore you is the same one that stops you from being desired. You offer yourself before they even feel the urge to conquer you. Stop and observe your pattern. You anticipate messages, explain intentions, try to advance what she hasn't even asked for yet. That's not generosity. It's disguised anxiety. And anxiety has a smell, a rhythm, a body. She senses it in your tone of voice, in the look that seeks validation, in the rush to fill any silence. What you call attention is, in truth, predictability. And predictability is the antidote to desire. The central principle is simple and brutal. Female desire is not born from availability, but from emotional scarcity and perceived value. Constant availability communicates that you need more than you choose, that you desire more than you are desired. Emotional scarcity, on the other hand, communicates selectiveness, self-sufficiency, and inner hierarchy. The man who doesn't give himself away immediately isn't playing hard to get. He's showing that he doesn't negotiate his center for validation. That's what the female mind reads as value. Robert Cialdini translated this mechanism precisely. The harder it is to obtain something, the more value we give to it. This is not an opinion. It's a replicable psychological principle. And when you apply it to human interaction, you understand why some men dominate the atmosphere effortlessly. They don't hide, but they also don't give themselves away. They don't refuse, but they choose. They don't chase, they attract. Value is born from the difficulty of access, and access must be earned. The unconscious conflict of the modern man lies here. He wants to be desired, but acts seeking validation. He wants to become the prize, but behaves like a candidate. He wants her instinct to chase, but gives away all the answers before the question. This inversion destroys the biological role of attraction. The masculine forgets to lead the emotional rhythm, and the feminine loses what ignites it most: challenge. Without challenge, there's no pursuit. Without pursuit, there's no living desire. There's scientific basis behind this feeling that uncertainty stirs everything up. A 2022 Stanford University